Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
Have you encountered the frustrating error code 0x80072f8f-0x20000 on your Windows 8 computer? This message often pops up when your system struggles to connect securely to Microsoft servers, usually during Windows updates or when using the store. It's a common issue, but luckily, there are several straightforward steps you can take to resolve it. We'll guide you through each potential solution, making it easy to follow along. Let's start with the basics. First, confirm your system's date and time are accurate. An incorrect clock can prevent your computer from establishing secure connections, leading to that error. Simply right-click the clock in your taskbar, adjust date and time, and set it to synchronize automatically if possible. Next, ensure you have a stable internet connection. A patchy Wi-Fi signal or a disconnected Ethernet cable could also be the culprit. Once these simple checks are done, you might find the problem has already disappeared. Sometimes, your security software can be a bit too enthusiastic. Temporarily disabling your third-party antivirus or firewall might reveal if it's preventing the necessary secure connection. Just remember to re-enable them after testing. Also, check your proxy settings. Go to Internet Options in the Control Panel, navigate to the Connections tab, and then LAN settings. Make sure Use a proxy server for your LAN is unchecked unless you specifically need it. These two areas are frequent sources of connection conflicts. If the error persists, it's time to consider resetting your Windows Update components. This might sound complex, but it essentially cleans out any corrupted files or settings that could be blocking secure connections. You'll open Command Prompt as an administrator, then type a few commands to stop the bits, cryptographic, MSI installer, and Windows Update services. After that, you'll clear out the software distribution and catroot 2 folders, and then restart the services. This usually clears up any issues with the update system's ability to connect. Finally, if you're still facing issues, try running the system file checker. Open Command Prompt as administrator and type sfc/scano to repair any corrupted Windows system files. Another powerful troubleshooting step is performing a clean boot. This starts Windows with only essential programs, helping you identify if a third-party application is causing the conflict. If none of these steps work, it might be time to consider a system refresh or consult a technical expert. We hope these solutions help you resolve error 0x80072f8f.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.